What if I told you, your casserole dish might be ruining your favorite recipes with uneven baking, poor heat retention, or a brittle lid? We tested 20-plus top models in ovens, under broilers, and on stovetops, measuring browning, temperature control, and durability, and the results will shock home cooks. One popular dish cracked under the broiler, while our number 3 delivered golden brown, perfectly cooked casseroles every time. If you want family dinners that are always a hit, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Lodge Enameled Casserole. The Lodge Enameled Casserole is your ideal kitchen companion, blending style and practicality. With its enameled cast iron design, you can effortlessly broil, bake, or roast your favorite dishes at temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The porcelain enamel coating not only enhances heat retention but also makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, reducing sticking and staining. Additionally, the tight-fitting lid helps to lock in moisture, ensuring that your meals are always succulent and flavorful. Whether you're preparing a cozy family dinner or a festive gathering, this casserole dish is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Number 2. Libbey Baker's Glass Casserole Set. The Libbey Baker's Basics 3-piece glass casserole baking dish set with glass covers are made of revolutionary glass construction that makes them safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. The set includes 3 popular sizes with embossed dimensions on the handles, and clear sides let you monitor baking. They are lead-free, stackable, extremely durable, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Number 3. MALACASA Porcelain Baking Dishes Set. The MALACASA Porcelain Baking Dishes set of 4 is made of durable, anti-chip, and scratch-resistant porcelain. These baking dishes come in 4 sizes to meet all your needs, including textured design and easy-to-clean features. It is also a perfect gift for your loved ones, and your purchase is guaranteed with a 12-month warranty. Number 4. Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Casserole. The Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Casserole Skillet is a 3.3-quart skillet in white with loop side handles for easy transport. It is oven-safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and made of cast iron for even heat distribution and retention. The enamel doesn't have a non-stick function. Always use hot pads, oven mitts, or pot holders while moving or removing the skillet on or from the stove or oven. Number 5. Lodge Cast Iron Casserole. The 9-inch by 13-inch cast iron casserole is perfect for cooking big dishes for your crowd with its high sidewalls that keep everything contained. Achieve bakery quality results at home with consistent baking and browning. It is seasoned with 100% vegetable oil and ready to use right out of the box. This heirloom quality cast iron bakeware is durable and long-lasting, ensuring you can keep it in the family for years to come. Made in the USA since 1896 by Lodge, a trusted manufacturer of cast iron cookware in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. So which casserole dish will become your kitchen MVP? Dish it out in the comments. If this recipe-saving review upgraded your baking, bake that like button, it helps us test more. Want more cookware truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing Dutch ovens. All our top picks are linked below. Happy cooking!